Now on your Wednesday, we've heard about the migrant crisis impacting border towns in Texas, Arizona, all the way to New York City now. Well, now Massachusetts Governor Maura Healey declaring a state of emergency there, urging the federal government to expedite work permits for thousands of migrants who have been bused to her state. Jorge Ventura is live this morning with the latest on the governor's demands. Hey, Jorge.
Good morning, Mark. Yeah, Massachusetts Governor Healey is now calling on the federal government for assistance after the historic influx of migrants arriving in the state, causing shelters and hospitals to reach capacity and are forced to turn away migrants. Governor Healey is declaring a state of emergency. She says her state is struggling to find permanent housing, healthcare, and shelter, as well as finding enough social workers to manage the growing number of migrants. The governor calling on the federal government for funding and to remove barriers to expedite federal work permits so migrants can find jobs.
But the increased level of demand is not slowing down. And due to both a long-standing shortage of affordable housing, as well as delays and barriers to federal work authorizations, we find ourselves in this situation.
According to Governor Healey, more than 20,000 migrants have come to her state. That's nearly an 80% increase from last year. The governor says the removal of work barriers is needed to allow migrants to work and adds that the state could use the help due to the current labor shortage.
The truth is, our new arrivals are most eager to work. The last thing they want to do is be dependent. And we could frankly use their help at this time.
The governor is calling on local organizations and residents to help shelter families by also sponsoring them in their homes. The state of Massachusetts is a right to shelter state and are legally required to provide eligible families shelter through its emergency assistance program. The state has launched a migrant relief fund to help raise money to aid migrants. The funds donated will be used to help pay for goods and services that will be including food, transportation, clothing, and legal services. This also comes at a time as the state of New York is also feeling the impact of their resources strain dealing with the migrant crisis. Right now, New York City is sheltering over 55,000 migrants. They expect that number to rise. Marky?
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.